always just run to the base. We just run. Someone show me how to get up the base.
I guess they're on a winning streak by like 9.
I need.
What are we doing?
Like and subscribe. I'm probably gonna lose. We're actually gonna lose.
No, bro, I'm only here for the kill.
Bro, stop mining. I want
They're pushing the front.
Oh my god, imagine
Stop
that loses
mining.
this.
I want the new jacket.
Yeah, I hate
Don't mine.
I'm gonna actually one pump everyone.
the new jacket. Stop mining. I do not care if you want the new jacket.
No, guys, it's close call. It's a close call. Guys, it's a very close call. Pop, stay, go to the base. Go to the base. Pop, go to the base.
Yep.
This is some kind of war in Ukraine and stuff. The whole entire virtual.
I can't do anything! No, we lost.
We lost. No, we're winning.
Easy.
We've had a winning streak of like 13. Shut.
I don't care if you want the new jacket, bro. Shut up.
Red team, circle up. Red team, circle up.
Sorry. I think that was
Red
my
team.
fault. I think that was my fault.
Go white, go white. You don't want to need the jacket.
No, I don't care. It's just a game. What are you gonna do? Punch me in real life? Slashy punch? I ain't moving. I'm using my use of free will.
Red team.
Yeah, boy.
Red team.
Get out.
Over here. Red team, not blue team. Red team. Guys, we need people guarding the base. Guys, I don't care.
It's not a game. It's just a game.
Guys, we need 2 people guarding the base.
I will guard it because I'm him.
I pick you.
Yeah, because I am Sigma at this game.
Project. Someone just ran in.
I don't even try to get
Come on. Come on, you guys gotta stay here. You guys stay here.
Let's go. Come on, guys.
Dead. Defend, someone defend. I'm dead.
Why, guys, I don't want to do that.
Bro, you're right here.
I want the new jacket. Bro, where's the frog?
I don't want to do that.
I just want you.
In the bush.
Got him still.
In the bush. He came out.
But why do people think I'm hacking?
Come on. Come on, enemy team. No, I'm getting through.
If it is, it's a corny kid.
Oh, man. There's 2 people guarding the base.
Where's my line?
Sorry, I was just trying to go. Having fun.
Wacky.
Bro, stop kidding.
Holy
Dead.
shit.
Nice.
Bro,
Bro, you just got rolled. You too.
I just wanted me a jacket.
Oh no, guys, defend. I just.
let's charge.
Would you stop killing everybody?
so screwed.
Oh my god, we're spot. I can't one.
Sambo killed himself.
And you're just being a...
Anywho. Bro, me and you gotta keep charging.
Yeah, okay.
Dead.
Do we got lockdown on base? Yes, we do.
I got locked down.
I already hit him. Stop hitting her back.
I swear to God, if you mind. Fine. I'll do it, boy. That's all the front line. 10 more kills, 10 more kills.
Back up.
Yes. Restarting.
Bro, I can't. That's gonna one pump and skip. Bro, I don't have to go, man.
Bro, Frog, good thing you're good at guarding.
Ne?
Yep.
Anne benim normalde içeride oynamam lazım ya.
Back up, thank you.
Team sucks.
Yes, charge the front line.
Let's go.
Oh, I got 12
Easy.
Guys, join the code 123 if you want a new jacket. Join the code.
Join public lobbies. You can't do it in all
Brother, why am I doing my money?
brother.
Guys, join the code. Guys, join the code. Red team. Join the code 991000.
Yeah, that still wouldn't work.
Bro, I was defending for the whole time. I just wanted to go at once.
Hey, I just want to confront you about how stupid.
Red team over here. Red team. No, Frog, you can't leave. Frog, stay there. Red team, go by him. Guys, red team.
Oh, my room stinks, bro.
Oh my god!
I have it too.
Guys, Frog, you gotta guard. You gotta guard, Frog. Where's the Frog? Yes, Frog, guard, Frog.
Down.
Bro, I'm so bored. I need to move in.
Oh my god, I'm not sure if that.
I just want the new jacket.
And how we got one girl?
Right here.
Stop spamming.
I need your violence.
Everybody hates you, everybody does.
Oh my god.
Like literally, I just want the new dad. Hi.
Right here. In front.
Go.
We got enemies! Enemy spotted!
Coming in.
What, bro? I get it.
Holy shit, bro. Shiver. Fighting at a bitch.
From Marco?
I'll be good defending.
We've hit like, look at my phone.
No way you're trying to camp even though.
That's not my freaking house. Oh God, go away. I'm so bad. Oh my God, that's actually so, like, that's so sad.
Everyone, you haven't been such a game.
Bro, I need to mind these. Oh man!
No, bro.
Yay!
Let's go!
That was the
Let's
freest
go!
hit.
It's fair too! Bro,
It's fair! It's fair!
Red team over here! Red team, meet up over here! Red
Teamwork makes the dream work!
We need team!
Yeah!
Red team!
Yeah! Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Not you! Not you!
Can y'all hear me? Can y'all
Yes,
hear
we can
me?
hear you. We can hear you, bro. Teamwork makes the dream work! Yeah.
What the fuck?
Bro! Guys, over here! We're trying to make a plan!
I'm appearing in blue, even though I'm red, bro.
Guys!
Like, on my
Guys!
screen, I'm blue, but then on the mirror, I'm
Yeah,
red. What the fuck?
Guys, two people gone? No, is the white frog gone?
Oh my.
Yes, you are defenders!
No, I'm not defending. Oh my God, respawn!
Start mining! We need a firing squad!
Geeky, geeky. Oh, how many times am I gonna have to hit people? Oh, like the HP is bad.
Dang, they got...
We're done.
I got you, boy.
Thank you.
Should have got some people then.
Thank you, my boy.
What?
Bye!
the tops. My team out. Go on.
Guard the base!
Oh, I know.
We got intruders! Intruders!
How many times am I gonna have to hit one guy? Oh my god! He is so moving. I'm gonna get the freaking new hoodie thing. I know what that was. I can barely see the bush.
Come on!
What? Where? Someone's shooting and I don't know where from. Right there!
What the bro? That's good to go.
Mine. Guys, no, guard base. Look, I need you to sit down there for a little. I need you now.
Come on. Oh, I hopefully got 15.
So you're
Yes, I got it.
I know I already have it.
Red team, get over here.
I'm cutting.
I'm gold.
Especially you.
Hi, Bug.
Red team, over here.
Red with the glasses.
Why do you say especially me?
How do you get so many?
Especially you. And
What's the trick to getting so many?
red
kills?
team over here.
Huh?
Red team.
What's the trick?
Bro, you pick your favorites. Like, I'm actually gonna play you the bars.
Get your.
I know the
I
trick.
just
use pistols.
Get over here. You get over here. You
No,
get
you
over
circle.
here.
No, you have to
You
use shotguns.
spawn
You gotta
I
use
was in
shotguns.
the outfit. I think.
You.
Use
Get over here.
No.
You gotta use shotguns. You gotta use.
Oh man.
Also,
Bro, someone
don't
grab it
interrupt me when I'm trying to tell someone.
Bro, I will defend.
Someone guard the base.
I will. Oh, military time. I got this thing on.
Yeah, a little.
Let's go.
Jacket, you dumbass, oh, give me it. Jacket, I'm coming to the scale. You, help me get this. You have to. Oh, I'm not you. Trick jockey. Like your.
I'm gonna get this.
Oh, yes, sake.
She's outside. In the backyard.
because I have to help my team out. That's exactly why I am coming.
Haha, get ninja, you little kid.
Still, you got killed.
Hi.
It's crazy. Not this speed, because one you got killed by. Come on,
Hi.
I'm good at shooting, guys.
Little kid. Don't care, you're being talked about. Shut up. Bro, I just recommend taking out the weirdo. I'm a weirdo, I don't like him. Actually crazy. I don't like you either, so like, just stop being a weirdo. Right?
I saw it. Don't think so.
How do you know exactly?
Yeah, it's a bot.
No!
Attack the crystal.
Get you.
Attack the crystal. One crystal, kill the crystal. Attack the crystals, boys. Let's go.
Also, say my kill.
Bro, get down there.
To get it, dumbass.
Shut up!
Oh my god, I'm at 5 HP. Wait, why did I just say that out loud? Oh crap.
Bro's not on 5 HP.
I should have not yelled that out loud. That's not.
I didn't know that, but you're able to kill enemies that are in your sick.
So shit.
Bro just went oop.
Wait, how much is it? To go. Balls, not the same.
Kids are bullshit.
I was so close. I'm joking. I was like, on my team and boom, 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 boom.
In general.
Wait, guys, it's no. We need even. It has to be 5v5.
Nuggets.
Yes. No. One more person join. Yes. No. Wait. No. It's 4v4. We need 2 more people. 2 more. It doesn't work.
Oh my god, I love you, Jackie.
Yes.
Which one,
One more
guys?
person. Don't leave. Guys, don't leave.
Actually, no.
That's
really cool.
Okay.
That's cool.
Let me get it.
I like that.
You leave. I
Yeah?
swear. Do
I'm still
not
stealing
leave.
my kills, so I'm
Don't leave. Don't leave.
I bet
It's 5v5.
top and either snipe people or just go around like
got some more.
I'm sitting there stealing chicken.
Hey, dude, ha. I think the trick is just to go wild.
Employed.
Oh my god. I wish my teleportation got like just went then. Oh my god. Actually, look, this. Why is it always gonna be happening? Wait.
Eat my dog.
bro, you suck. That's crazy.
Alright, like and subscribe.
Get out! Get out!
I will find where you live.
Melee. Mr.
Alright, like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Yay! Like and subscribe.